Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another edition of a drone drop box opening. I have not opened this yet. This is either the March or April 2018 box. I never can tell because I get them a little bit late here in Hawaii. But this is going to be my number 7th box, I believe. I've got 7 of these and I've opened them all with you. If you don't know what Drone Drop is, it is a subscription service where it's around $40 a month and you are usually getting double that in actual retail value of stuff. You just don't know exactly what you're going to get. But if you're a drone racer, this is for you because it's got all kinds of stuff every month. Tools, parts, frames, all kinds of stuff for drone racers that you're going to need because stuff's going to keep breaking and you're going to need to replace them anyway. So it allows you to kind of have a repository, a toolbox, if you will, of a bunch of parts necessary for keeping your racing drone up in the air. Anyway, let's get started with this edition of the Drone Drop unboxing. Okay, so as I was saying, this is the first time I have opened up this box. I'm just gonna break this seal here for you right on camera. And let's see exactly what we get. So here we go. First time I'm going to be experiencing this with you guys. So here we go. So Cyclone propellers, 5040C propellers. Cool. Cyclone makes some good propellers, probably one of the best. And they're kind of a clear blue, so you get 2 sets of those, 3 sets. Wow, so that's pretty cool. So 3 sets of propellers. Let's see what else we have. 2 Velcro battery straps. Look like super high quality, orange and black by Newbie Drone. I guess they're sponsoring this one. And it is a plastic little loop here. But man, these things feel really thick. And they do have like this clear silicone there on the part that's gonna grab the battery. So get 2 of those. And what's all this stuff? Wow, 1, 2, 3. What in the world are these? Lipo Condom. Okay. So it looks like these are gonna be, is this something new that I don't know about? It looks like these might be maybe a fireproofing deal. Looks like they're not very easy to take out of the package, but I'm just gonna rip this open with you and see what the heck is this. So it is like a silicone, and we have a battery charging record cards, stickers they give us in the box with that in the bag. Well, so this thing is already kind of stuck all together, but I'm just opening it up and look at that. So okay, that's what that is. So it's an M4 Lipo Condom, and I've never seen these before. That's kind of interesting. It's got to be like a fire retardant if you are storing your batteries or charging them. It's got to be a way to either do that, and also, actually, you know what I'm thinking right now is you shove these into your lipo, and you don't really need much of this silicone traction on your battery straps. This is going to make your lipo stick to the bottom of your craft because this is really sticky. So anyway, I'm assuming that's what that is. I've never used them, but this is something new. So you get 3 of those, and it looks like they can fit, you know, your usual 1300s on racing drones and above. 1, 2, 3, 4 ESCs. These guys are looking like 2-4S 30 amp Raptor ESCs, BLS Pro D-Shot. So we're getting 4 of these. There's the actual package writing there if you want to look at that. Okay, wow, lots of stuff in this pack. And what's this? So next thing is 50 gauge welding flux paste, soldering flux paste grease gel. Everybody needs flux for soldering. This package is geared for drone racers and drone builders. You know, something handy to have. Just a package of Flux Gel. Let me just open this up to see what it looks like. Okay, so it's like kind of a hardish paste in there. So you're just gonna dip your wires, your soldering tip in there if you need to. So that's very handy to have around if you're building drones. And just a couple more things in the box. Of course, we got that infamous little tissue paper in the bottom. It's green this month. And here are a few stickers. Cool. Stickers make everything better. There's the newbie that was the battery straps. Remember, these are newbie battery straps. And we have a 10% off coupon for drone drop. So you know what, guys? I'm gonna let the first person that can QR code this, let me focus it in. So if you are getting a drone drop and you want 10% off, go ahead and QR scan that on your screen right now, and I'm giving this coupon to you. There we go. So go ahead and scan that, and that's for you. You're welcome. And one last little newbie drone sticker in the box. So that's basically everything in the box, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. Definitely, these are ESCs. I think these probably are going to be at least 15 bucks each, if not more, 15, 20 each. I'm just assuming. I don't see any pricing sheet in this box. I haven't seen one in the last two boxes. But anyway, for those 30 amp ESCs, we got this soldering flux gel, always need that. Battery straps, who doesn't always need that? These new Lipo condoms, haven't seen these ever before, but for you racer guys that are constantly racing, these could come in handy. Put your Lipo in there and you won't have to worry about them not gripping on your craft. And they might have some fire retardant built in. And then 3 sets of Cyclone T50 40C propellers. And that is it for this one, guys. So apparently they are putting in stuff you're gonna need, and the throwing in as the tool is that soldering flux is their tool for this one. So I hope you really enjoyed that edition of Drone Drop. And if this is interesting to you, don't forget to go ahead and check out down below the video. I will have the link to Drone Drop, the company, and just go ahead and see what they have to offer, how much it is per month on the subscription. But I really think that people that are getting into drone racing or are already drone racing, they really use something like this, because from what I've seen, I haven't priced this one out like I said, but from what I've seen, you're getting just around double the cost of the subscription box in product. So it's definitely worth it if you are crashing and needing these kinds of parts constantly. This is the kind of stuff that's coming in every drone drop. So you might save some money in the long run if you are a racer and you're going through this stuff like crazy and having to buy this stuff all the time. Anyways, guys, links in the description like I said, and I will see you in the next review. Thanks for watching.